I wonder if you knew that a good way to gauge how your mushrooms are is let moisture come out, and then once the mushrooms reabsorb the moisture, they're pretty well done, but they're still nice and moist. So as you can tell, this is going to be a main part of our dish today. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make a chicken, mushroom, spinach, kind of a cream sauce. I'm going to put that over some Amish egg noodles. Got the egg noodles cooking, so let's get to it. Okay, just to show you, I got my egg noodles cooking here. So I want to show you the rest of the stuff. The same skillet you saw those mushrooms in, right here, right now. There you go. We got to just spray some stuff in there. Whoa. Here's the said mushrooms. This here is some chicken that I poached a little bit ago, saving a little time. Here we have some, I don't know, 2 or 3 cups of fresh spinach I chopped up. This is like a medium onion, sweet onion. I finely chopped that, not real fine, but you know. And then here I got some parsley. Here I got some yogurt, Greek yogurt. And that mainly was for Miss Penne, trying to keep I was going to make a nice sauce out of it, but anyway. So here we got some hot paprika. This is a batch that Penny's dad made. It does have a little kick to it. And there's some garlic. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so I hit the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray. Now I'm going to put a little butter spray in there, just for flavoring. We're going to toss in onion. Okay. Going to bring that together here. Now, what we're making, we're going to make like a pan gravy, I guess we'd call it, but we're using the Greek yogurt. So it's going to be, that part of it is nice. It's user friendly for, very no points for Penny. So, but then I told her, see, we have to put it on something. So I was offering up my konjac noodles and rice and got the big pouty face. And then she said, well, I got some Amish egg noodles that I got from my dad. So you know what that means. That's where we're at now. So this is a nice dish, but it's not a total Weight Watcher friendly, but it could be. But anyway, let's get down to it. Let's let these here soften up a bit, and we'll be right with you. Okay, we're going with some garlic. This is going to go quick, pretty much. Now that the onions are nice and soft, I'm going to put like a teaspoon or so of the garlic. And stir that around. Once the aroma hits the nose, we'll be right back. Okay, so now the aroma, easy, I don't want to give you guys a head rush. Okay, so the aroma has popped up, so now we're going to put in, this is, like I said, I put 1 pack of 8-ounce mushrooms in here. They were already sliced up, so they were just white mushrooms. You can basically get them anywhere. Alright, so I'm just going to, now the reason I cooked them ahead of time is because I didn't want to sit here and have to cook these, now, and that's why I cooked the mushrooms earlier, see. Alright, now, for the fun stuff. Now we're going to put some chicken in here because the chicken needs to be warmed up. Okay, some chicken going down. And you don't need that much chicken really. I just went schizo. I had 2 breasts left in the package I had, so I boiled them up or poached them, whatever you want to call it. And that was that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Season up the meat. Gonna give this Probably about a good teaspoon of smoked paprika. I mean, this is hot. This is smoked hot paprika or whatever. And then we're gonna stir this around, get it all nice and happy. This is on the corner of happy, right? Well, that's Walgreens or something. Happy, healthy or something. I don't know. I might use more of the paprika. I'm gonna give it a taste after a bit. But for right now, I don't want to go too crazy with these things. This is going to be a nice little dish. I might use more of the yogurt. I didn't want to go too heavy at first. I was going to use a whole cup, but then I decided we'll just use like a little less than a cup, 2/3 maybe. We'll see how it comes out. If I need more, plenty more in my refrigerator. I got to use it anyway because it's going to go bad if I don't. Okay. So now we're going to put in some spinach. I'm probably going to hit this with a lid. But my game plan here is I want to get this wilted, but not all the way wilted yet because I still have one more ingredient to go, and we all know what that is. So stir this around. Turn my heat up a little bit. I'll put a lid on this and see what happens, huh? Okay, guys, I'm going to take a look at this. Can you hear that little sizzle? I love that sound. All right, like I said, I didn't want to get it too wilty. There we go. All right. So now we're going to add in our sour cream, our Greek yogurt. And this is good. This is healthy for whatever ails you. But no, it's good for like making like this, when you can't have a regular kind of gravy thing or whatever. For penne, this is great because there's no points in it. I've made other things using the yogurt, dips and such, and it's nice. So this might be enough. I don't want to make it too wet with the sour Greek yogurt. But anyhow, this is what she's going to look like. And I'll tell you, the aroma right now, whoo, is gangbusters. Can you say gangbusters? All right. So now I'm going to give this a little taste, and we're going to see what else we need to add to it, if anything. I don't know. It might be good just the way she is, huh? Doesn't that look nice? Look at that. Put that on a little dish of noodles, you're set. Tell me that don't look good, huh? Now, if you want more creamier or wetter, just add some more of the Greek yogurt. But the Greek yogurt's really healthy for you, so let's give this a little whirl here. Get a little chicken, a little mushroom. I already got a mushroom, but I want another one. Well, Penny's going to love this. You guys are going to love it if you make it. That paprika that her dad made was perfect. Little teaspoons, all we needed. The Greek yogurt gives it a nice little twangy flavor. The chicken is nice. It's tender. Like I said, I poached that. Oh, and by the way, where I got this basic spinach and mushroom dish was from another YouTube channel called Spain on a Fork. This guy makes quick, easy Spanish dishes, I guess you'd call it, from Spain. That's where he's at. But anyway, and then I adapted to it. So thanks to him, give me inspiration. We'll be back momentarily. Okay, guys, give me a couple minutes. My better half came in, gave us a thumbs up. We're going for it. We're going to dish it up, and I'll show you what we got. Okay, guys, there you have it. Dished it up. Garnished it with a little bit of parsley there. Get a little sprinkle cheese, Parmesan sprinkle cheese. As you can tell, Elmo likes it. So we'll see you guys momentarily at the taste test table. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. This is over the top delicious. Pat myself on the back, and another thank you to the guy with the Spain on a Fork. That's what gave me inspiration to do this. And I have to say, I'm glad I did. Honey really liked it. I thought she would. Mmm. 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 Do you know, if we would have used the konjac noodles and the konjac rice, this would have been a 0-point dish. I mean, for those of you that wanted to, you know, try to have something that's a little out of the norm, but Weight Watchers, this is it. That chicken, so tender, moist. One more bite. Holy moly. You can put that on any kind of pasta you want. You can put it on rice. Like I said, if you want the, you want a little more wet, throw in some more Greek yogurt. Oh, this is one of them dishes where you better have more than enough because you're going to keep eating it. And her dad's homemade spicy paprika, right on target. You get just enough heat, thanks to Mr. Ed. I think I'll save the rest of this caramel roll. Okay guys, so definitely give us a like because you're going to like this one. Share it with your friends, they're going to like it too. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. When you do, a little notification bell will pop down. You hit that. That'll notify you each time that we pop another video for you. There's a little arrow down box right below the video. You hit that, a drop down box will come down. That'll give you a link to our Cooking with Mr. Dente Facebook page, give you a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and we'll give you a link to the rest. I mean, not a link, but give you the complete recipe, the ingredients, and how we did this dish right here. So, until next time, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back and we'll get you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, have a nice day, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh.